Hey guys, Eli here, and on today's video I want to talk about, will Bitcoin replace gold and silver? Being the type of person that made tons of video about silver and tons of video about gold, I have been receiving a lot of comments lately saying that gold will be replaced by the digital monster known as cryptocurrency, or more specifically, Bitcoin. And today I want to give you guys my thoughts on do I believe is going to happen and what will happen in the near future, and my thoughts on, hey, what am I doing about all this information that I know? And we're starting now. If you guys love to talk about personal finance and mindset, and you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, start now by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And to all my thumbs up squad, make sure you guys show up on this video and hit that salute by smashing that thumbs up button. It's highly appreciated. And make sure you guys leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know, do you guys believe that gold will be replaced by Bitcoin? And if you guys want to support the channel even more, consider becoming a member of this here channel and have access to tons of exclusive content. And while you're at it, make sure you guys take advantage of the free resources down in the description below. And one more thing, I know. If you guys want to join the conversation and talk to like-minded people just like yourself, make sure you guys join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord. We have a tab on there where we talk about gold, silver, and even crypto. So stop by and say hello. So what are my thoughts? People have been telling me, hey, crypto is this, Bitcoin is going to the moon, and honestly, like, it looks like it's out on the moon already. Like, honestly, to be honest with you. I mean, at the time of this recording, we seen Bitcoin over $60,000 last time I checked on the price of Bitcoin. And to be honest with you, I do have Bitcoin as well. And now people's looking at, oh yeah, Bitcoin is the new hedge against inflation, just like gold. And everybody's been doing this. Now, this reminds me of the way it was back then when gold was the best thing ever. I mean, we've been using gold for the past 5,000 years, and even silver as well. It's always been around. And to be honest with you, I'll go out on record and say the reason I believe gold is not high up in standards right now, or as far as prices, is because the competition, the amount of competition that gold and silver do have today. I mean, if you look at a world where it's just gold being used as money, we would see gold as way higher versus the way we see it now, where gold has competition like the stock market, bonds, and other different investments like crypto and other stuff like that. But if it was just in a world where gold was just by itself, I do believe, hey, gold will be over $10,000 right now, if not higher. But the fact is, that's not the world we live in today. We do have a world, and I also want to say that the fact that Bitcoin is rising leads to a lot of people selling gold or not even buying gold and buying Bitcoin instead. And yes, a lot of people are viewing that silver's the new safe haven against the dollar, where gold used to be the safe haven. I do believe that gold is the safe haven. Now, my thing with this whole thing is, yes, crypto can be another digital asset that, you can actually buy and invest and make money from. But my thing is, I want that physical. Now, I'm not going to say that, crypto can't offer anything physical. Yes, crypto has its part. But gold and silver has a part to play as well. I mean, you still need gold, even if it's just not for money. People still need gold to create jewelry. People still need gold to create phones. People still need gold to create laptops. I would lift my laptop up, but it's so connected. But people need gold and silver for everything. Not everything, but mostly everything. Cars, solar panels, hospital equipment. There's so much uses that there is for gold that even if anything were to happen, I still believe gold and silver will always be needed. While digital is always changing. Hey, Bitcoin could be hot right now, but what's to say 10 years from now, there's a whole new digital assets and Bitcoin just goes straight down and goes straight to the next asset or the next cryptocurrency or whatever's popular 10 years from now. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but I do believe gold and silver has been around for 5,000 years, and I don't believe that can be replaced. Especially the other uses for gold and silver. People stacks it, people use it. We consume gold and silver. and there's only a finite amount of it. And that's just my thoughts on that. Now, I do have videos on this channel where I do talk about crypto, such as Bitcoin and other cryptos that I'm actually buying. And I do have portfolios where I do have money into crypto. But I also have places where I store my gold and silver as well. So why not both? Why do I have to say, hey, you know what? I'm only buying gold and silver and forget about crypto? Why can't I say, hey, listen, I'm buying gold and silver and hey, I do have a little small percentage of my wealth that goes into crypto? It only makes sense, right? I mean, with everything, I'm not going to go on my bullish thesis on why do I believe Bitcoin is going to go up. And I'm not going to go over my bullish reasons on why do I believe gold and silver is going to go up. If you've been watching the channel, chances are you already know. But what I'm saying is I am going to be buying both. I'm invested in the stock market, I'm invested in gold, I'm invested in silver, I'm invested in crypto, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a little bit of XRP, you know, just gambling with that. And honestly, I made tons of money on Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin. 2 years ago, I put $300 into Dogecoin, just saying. And the only reason I did that was because it was so cheap. I was like, hey, you know what? Just in case, what if this ever goes to $10,000 an ounce? Or not an ounce, I still got that gold and silver. What if this Dogecoin ever goes to $10,000? I want to have something in there. So I put $300 in there, and this year, knowing a little bit more about crypto, Doge went to 7 cents, and I was like, you know what? That $300 in there, I made a lot of $1,000 from that. Let me take that out real quick. I totally forgot about it. I 100% forgot about it until somebody said, hey, Doge is at 7 cents. I was like, word? Let me go and check my secret account that I totally forgot about. I know I bought Doge somewhere. I opened up this Robinhood account. Okay, it's not this one. Or let me see this one. Oh, it's not this one. Was it my wife's Robinhood account? Yes, there we go. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Withdraw. Thank you. I'll take that. So, yes. I did make money off Doge as well. My thing is, that didn't stop me from buying gold and silver. And I made money from gold and silver. I made money in the stock market. And there's times, it's all depending on which way you're looking at it. If Bitcoin crashed, yes, I would say, hey, I lost money. If gold and silver goes down, I can say, hey, I lost money. There's times on this channel, I even have a video on this channel where I said, hey, this is how much money I've lost in gold and silver. But the fact is, I didn't lose anything. Now, you don't lose until you sell. People, they're so one-track minded. They're so one-track minded. They saw the markets crashing in 2020, and they was like, oh my gosh, it's the end. It's going to go even lower, blah, blah, blah. Well, me, I was buying. And of course, there were some situations what happens with as far as the feds and the printing of money that caused it to go up. But I remember one quote. From, I forgot who said it. I don't know if it was Warren Buffett. I think it was Warren Buffett. He says, never bet against America. Never bet against America. And I love America. That's the country I was born in. I love America. And I say, hey, you know what? I'm going to put all my money into America. And a year later, I'm like, yeah, shoot, thank myself and thank God I did, right? Okay. So to end this video, I just want to say, will gold be replaced by crypto? Honestly, I don't think so. I mean, I'm not saying it's not gonna happen or it can't happen. I don't think so. It's all backed by confidence. If people have more confidence in gold than silver, then of course it can possibly happen. But it's all about confidence. All right. The only reason gold has value is because people see it to have value. All right. And of course, it's used in every other thing. And the only reason Bitcoin has value is because the confidence that people have in it. Now, the reason that gold is not skyrocketing right now is because people's confidence, they still believe in gold, but they want to make that easy money. And now they're putting their confidence shifting straight to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The same way the dollar is losing confidence. A lot of nations are saying, hey, this reserve currency right here, this US reserve currency, we don't have that much confidence in it. Let's move our confidence somewhere else. That's all it is. If you take away all the humans on earth, what is gold but nothing but a yellow rock? That's all it is. We give it value. Regardless, if it wasn't for us, if all of us disappear, gold is nothing. Crypto is nothing. Paper money is nothing. And that's all I have for you guys today. But before I go, here is a word from our sponsor. Hey guys, if you love Silver Talk and the dynamics that me and JT bring, this is another episode of Silver Talk Uncut. Hold on. Then you guys are gonna really like Silver Talk Uncut. We talk about stuff that we can't talk live.
Fell more in love with the man than understanding the party or the country.
Yes, we're gonna hit some nerves. Oh man, listen man, they stole the election. They stole the election from Trump, man. I think there's gonna be some people that's gonna hate this.
This may get us in trouble, so I won't say that comment.
I mean, we say what we want.
We're not bound by the YouTube algorithm. We're not bound by the language barriers.
And oh yeah, we curse.
So hey, you may hear a couple of fucks and shits. Now you guys probably never heard JT curse. Hey JT, you wanna give him some curse words real quick?
I don't cuss, man.
New episodes released for members every Saturday. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys found value in this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to have a beautiful day.
Oh, that's why